Hi, Destile, everyone. So today here I'm teaching past tense. In Tibetan, we say tu deba. Okay. So see here, kerang or kerang cho payimbe. So kerang means you, and cho it makes the plural, and kerang cho you are, okay? And nga or ngacho. So nga, I, ngacho, we, okay? Payin and then me. So for the first person we use in the past tense, we payin and me. Okay, and then for the other person we use kong or kongzo. Kong means he or she, and kongzo means they are. Okay, and then kong or kongzo pare pe, and then kong or kongzo pare and yömare. So we use for the other person, like in the past, pare and yömare. Okay. And also we can use song에 and song masong for first person and third person and second person, but in different situation. Okay. So for the first person, we use song and masong with the non-volitional verbs. Okay. And then for the other person, second or third person, we use when we so is a direct knowledge. Okay. And then 중에 중 and 마중 and 중성에 중성 and 중마성, we use it with the first person, but it is a use with the adjectives. Okay, like happy, unhappy, like these kinds of adjectives. With these kinds of adjective, we use 중 and 마중, 중성 and 중마성 for the first person. Okay. Okay, more detail I will show you with the examples. So first one, 강사, 당보, first person. Okay. So here are the examples. 계란기 탭 lokbayinbe. So did you read a book? Nghe 탭 lokbayin. So answer is here. Nghe 탭 lokbayin. So I read a book. I read a book. Nghe 탭 lokme. I didn't read book. So 탭 means book and lok means read. Okay. And then 걔랑 사캉라 침바인배. Did you go to the restaurant? So 걔랑 you and 사캉 is a restaurant and 친 is a past tense for the go. Okay, went. And then nga 사캉라 침바인. I went to restaurant. Nga 사캉라 친매. I didn't go to restaurant. Okay. So first person, for the first person, if you did something and then we use payin and me. So here I put the pa in the bracket. That means, so sometimes people use payin and sometimes we just use like chin yin, lok yin, like this without pa also we use. Okay, and then next one, 계란기 키 통송에. Did you see dog? Okay, so ki means dog, tong means see. Okay, and then answer nye ki 통성. I saw dog. nye ki 통마성. I didn't see dog. Okay. 걔랑 가상 나성에. Did you feel sick yesterday? So 가상 means yesterday and 나 means sick. Okay. So 걔랑 가상 나송에. Did you feel sick yesterday? And nga kasang nasong. I was sick yesterday. Nga kasang namasong. I didn't sick yesterday. Okay, so this is a song and masong used for the first person with the non-volitional verbs or it is related to your feelings. Okay, and then next one, 걔랑 가상 기분 중에. So were you happy yesterday? Okay, 가상 기분 중. 나 가상 기분 중. Yes, I was happy yesterday. nga 가상 기분 중. I was not happy yesterday. Okay. And then 걔랑 칼라 신부 중송에. So word food is delicious. 칼라 신부 중송. It was delicious. 칼라 신부 중마송. It was not delicious. So see, Kalak is a food, and then shimbo is the tasty or delicious. Okay, so 중에 중마중 and 중성에 중성 중마성. So these used for with the first person with adjectives. Okay, and then next 강사 니바 second person. Okay. 걔랑키 대 lokpare. You read book. 걔랑키 대 lokye mare. You didn't read book. Okay. 걔랑 kya karla depare. You stayed in India. Okay. 걔랑 kya karla deyo mare. You are not stay in that means you didn't stay in India. Okay, so if we use for the second person like with the volitional verbs, and then we can say re and mare, pare or ye mare in the past tense. Okay, and then keranki cha tung-song. So you drink tea. Okay, so 계란기 자똥마송. You didn't drink tea. Okay, and then 계란진강라 대송. So you stayed in classroom. 계란진강라 대마송. You didn't stay in classroom. So this is a song and masong we use for the second person with the direct knowledge. If we saw is a visually, and then we use it. Okay. Okay. And then 강사 sumba with the third person. 콩키 대 lokparebe. Did he read a book? 콩키 대 lokpare. He read a book. 콩키 대 lokye mare. He didn't read book. 콩진강라 침바레베. Did he go to classroom? 콩진강라 침바레. He went to classroom. 콩진강라 친ye mare. He didn't go to classroom. Okay, so for the third person, we use pare and yömare. Chin verb and then yömare. Okay, this is generally with the third person. Okay, and then 콩키 대 lok송에. Did he read a book? 콩키 대 lok송. He read a book. 콩키 대 lokmasong. He didn't read book. And then 콩첨라 친송에. Did he go to market? 콩첨라 친송. He went to market. 콩첨라 친마송. He didn't go to market. Okay, so song and masong we use for the third person with direct knowledge. If you saw is visually and then we use it. So third and second person is the same. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Then see you in next video.